Inazuma 11 交通クロノストNeppu.
What's up, YouTube folks? This is Head of the 12th edition here, bringing you Inazuma 11 Go to Cornerstone and Neppu. Yes, today we're going to verse Team Blizzard in order to get a manual. I was actually wanted so badly. It's in order to give to one of my players in the team Kariya's team, Adult Kazumaro. Yeah. It's a White Hurricane. Yeah, since he's got like defensive moves and stuff like that, I thought maybe White Hurricane would actually be perfect for Adult Kazumaro since it's a shoot block, and yeah. And yeah, and here's the team where you can remember it's Team Kariya versus Team Blizzard. Remember our team. I have not changed any of them at all. And Team Blizzard is a combination of guys from Blizzard, like Fubuki. Looks like we're going to start off with our first Mixie Max of the day. Mixie Trench with Dazam, with Young Dazam. Mixie Trains, Yuchi. And we're going to have to go straight through. Shinkima. Wow. That was just amazing. How this guy, he just reminds me of Kakashi. No, 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 no. Oh, God, they're getting through my defenses like no tomorrow. We're gonna go with Surgeon of Life. We're gonna go with Yuchi's Kishin instead of going with the one which is Kinsey Lancelot. We're gonna go with Pin Dragon, and they're summoning their Kishin King Burn B, I think it was. We're gonna go with and we're gonna get past Whirlwind Force. We're gonna get past this person. Bye-bye, the mist. We're shooting right at them. We're gonna go with Great Blaster Grade X. Or DX, sorry. And we're gonna go King Fire. And let's go. 1-0. And yeah, we got pretty good from that. Oh no, we're going mixed trans game. This time we're gonna go Goalkeeper. But they're gonna go Wizard with Mineral Color. And we're gonna go with Endo. And yes, we're gonna go with Asterisk Rock. And I should have passed, but I am so stupid. But it's okay, because we can take it off again by using Fubuki's Ice Ground. And we're gonna go with they're gonna go with that Rhyme exclusive question. Well, we're gonna go with Snowfall Fire. And later on, I'm going to introduce you to our latest Keshin user. Keshin. Yeah. And they're gonna go Penguin Carnival! Oh, we can never figure it out. Oh, great. We're gonna go with a Wolf Legend. Oh no. We're gonna go with Fence of Gaia! And it's pretty hard. And we're gonna go with Ichino, since he's closest. He's gonna mix a trans with Blindy, like my Fubuki does. But we're gonna go Ichino with Nishiki. We're gonna go with Shinkimo Z. And we should have passed the ball, but we're not. And we're gonna go with none other than Fujin no Mai. And Tsurugi just lost his Keshin. But we're gonna go, first of all, we're gonna go Judge Oracle. And we're gonna go with the Trojan Margin guy. We're gonna go Armed. And we win. We're going Decoy Release, they through. Anyway, yeah, so White Hurricane's gonna be in order to give my new Keshin user a shot Hisatsu, since they don't really have any. And they deserve to have one, so yeah. And I got an opinion by Oshad, who said, like, I would say the best. Oh, great. We just, like, messed it up big time. Can Tsurugi get past us? No, because the Claymore just destroyed him. Come on, Burn. And of course, Burn's not going to be strong enough. No, middle card versus Kariya. Nope. Offense command 04, spinning upper. Oh no. Oh, no, you don't. Offense command 04. Oh no. We need to summon Keshin and fast. We're gonna go with Kingdom B. And no, you don't. They're gonna go and kick it right at us. Which is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. But anyway, we're gonna go with Fence of Gaia. And we saved it there. Anyway, this is signing out, over and out for part 1.